My name is Robert Fagg Jr. from Orlando, Florida. And I have here a 2015 370Z Sport. I call her the Bomber Z. Actually, it was in memory of my dad of 24 years in the Air Force. After he passed away in 2010, I decided to make the car something very special to me, and I put together the Z. And as we can see, let's walk around. I'll let you picture while we're doing it. Right here, his call number, last name, when he died, 1-10-1-10. And then we pretty much went from different websites and went on different pages of World War II. The front is a P-40 Fighting Tiger, and the back is a B-25 bomber. And in the front, we got the mural we put in it underneath. You can see that, another P-40. And all the panels were airbrushed, custom airbrushed. And it's all paint, everything on the car, paint. And that's about it. It's unique.
It's beautiful. Did you do anything inside?
Did the full stereo on it. Actually, the racing seats. I try to keep it as stock as possible. Everything else is pretty much says what it says. But I just don't want to overdo too much of it. But the next step is probably airbags, and might do a little bit in the interior, but other than that, it's going to stay like that.
Well, it's a beautiful car.
Well, thank you.
And homage to your father. I know that he would be proud.
Yeah, well, he did his time, 24 years, so he's worth every bit of it.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.